Most container annuals fail because of two things, and both happen before you plant anything. The pot you choose and the soil you fill it with. Those two decisions determine almost everything that follows. Get them right, and the watering and feeding are easy. Get them wrong, and nothing else you do quite makes up for it. Here's what to know. Start with the pot. Go bigger than you think you need. Bigger pots hold more water, which means they dry out slower. A small pot sitting in full sun can go completely dry in a single afternoon. Annuals don't recover well from that. The smallest practical size for annual flowers outdoors is around 8 inches wide. And the pot needs a drain hole, no exceptions. Without one, water collects at the bottom, roots sit in it, and the plant rots. That's a very common way to lose an otherwise healthy container. Now the soil. Don't use dirt from your yard. It compacts inside a pot and suffocates the roots. What you want is a soilless potting mix. Look for one that lists peat moss, perlite, and vermiculite on the bag. That combination drains well and holds just enough moisture between waterings. A few things to avoid: anything labeled Michigan peat, sedge peat, or rush peat. Those hold too much water and create the same root rot problem you were trying to avoid with the drain hole. And don't choose on price alone. Cheaper mixes often use lower quality ingredients that don't perform the same way. Once your annuals are planted, watering is the daily job. Don't guess, stick your finger about an inch into the soil. If it feels dry, water. And water deeply, until it drains out the bottom. Surface watering doesn't reach the roots. On hot or windy days you may need to water once a day. Clay pots dry out faster than plastic ones, so if that's what you're using, check them more often. For feeding, if your potting mix didn't come with slow-release fertilizer already in it, add liquid fertilizer every time you water. Container annuals can't pull nutrients from the ground the way in-ground plants do. That regular feeding is what keeps them blooming all season instead of stalling out by midsummer. The pot and the soil, those are the two decisions. Get those right, and the rest is just showing up with a watering can. If you want the full detail on any of this, it's all at Yardener.com. Just search for container annuals.